Welcome to the QND Tube channel. Before we dive into today's discussion, we want to emphasize that we are not financial advisors. Therefore, it's important to always do your own research before making any investments. We are not responsible for any decisions or actions you take. Disclaimer. Every journey towards success is marked by unassailable obstacles. Although they may sometimes appear daunting and haunting, these obstacles are an integral part of the journey that shapes our character and challenges our abilities. Never be afraid to face challenges, for within them lies a great opportunity to grow and develop. When faced with hurdles, do not feel trapped or disheartened. Instead, view obstacles as tests that examine our determination and courage. Self-confidence is the key to overcoming the pivotal obstacles to success. When we believe in our own potential, there is no obstacle that cannot be overcome. Obstacles are not absolute barriers but rather stepping stones towards achieving dreams. Each step taken to overcome obstacles brings us closer to the unassailable key to success. Therefore, continue the journey with enthusiasm and perseverance. Do not allow yourself to be trapped in fear or confusion, as each obstacle opens the door to undiscovered potentials that we may not have realized. In the journey towards achieving goals, remember that success is not the result of avoiding obstacles but rather how we confront them. Turn every obstacle into an opportunity to prove that we possess unwavering strength. With a positive attitude and perseverance, we can transform every obstacle into a solid foundation for achieving greatness. Thank you so much to all of you who have been faithfully watching the inspirational videos on the QND Tube channel. Your presence as part of our community means a lot and gives us the motivation to continue sharing inspiration. We truly appreciate the support you have given. To continue supporting us, we invite you to subscribe to the QND Tube channel, give a like, leave comments, and activate the notification bell so you always receive updates whenever we upload new videos. With your support, we can continue providing meaningful and inspiring content. Together, let's build a supportive community to achieve the best potential in life. Thank you for your participation and support.